Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe right now. Turn on your notification bell just to get notified whenever a new video is being posted. I don't want you to miss out on any of my videos. Today, we're going to be talking about how to wash our hair blend. How do you wash your hair blend? Do you use hot water? Do you use different kind of things to wash your hair? Now you need to know. Don't use hot water to wash your hair blends. Ask me why. Whenever you use hot water to wash your hair blends, mind you, they are not human hairs. They are blend, they are rubber, they are synthetic. So all you need to do is use warm water. And then you use hot water, the hair will shrink automatically. It's just going to shrink and you won't like the outcome of the hair. So you use warm water, you use your conditioner, you use your shampoo to wash your human hair blend. When you want to wash it, add little warm water to the bowl. Then you add your shampoo to it. Don't be stingy with your shampoo when washing your hairs. Massage it very well. Then you get a bag, either a Ziploc bag. You put it in there for like 30 minutes. When you're done, when it's up to 30 minutes, then you bring it out and wash it. Please don't squeeze the hair. Don't squeeze it. Just drag it little by little till the water drains out. Then you get another water. Now you use cold water because you're using conditioner. You use cold water for it. You add your conditioner into the bowl and also add your hair there. Then you also massage it little by little. Make sure the conditioner gets every corner of the hair. Then you rinse. And then you finish rinsing it. It's either you sun dry or you heat dry. Either you use hand dryer or you use the sun to dry the hair. And that is well dried. Then you bring it in. If it's coily hair, you sprinkle water on it to make it look coily. Then you brush out, you brush out, you brush out. If it is normal straight hair, then you have to comb it out gently. Then you use your what's it called? You use your hair straightener. Please, it should be on low heat. Most hairs blend, you see them, it don't accept heat. That means you can't even use anything hot on it at all. Why some use low heat? Then the ones that uses low heat, what you have to do is just to reduce it very low. Then you can straighten the hair. Don't take it serious. You can just straighten the hair, or you can also use iron to press the hair. It shouldn't be hot at all. Same goes to human hair. Human hair, you use your straightener. It should be hot so you can get the desired style you want it to be. If it's a coily hair, you also add your leave-in conditioner on it. Then you brush out. After you do that, your hair is perfectly fine, and you wear the hair anywhere you go to with confidence. You don't need to be scared. Oh, my hair is not looking good. No, you just have to be confident while putting on your hair. So I hope you've learned something from this. And if there's anything I did not mention in this video, please, you can as well comment. I'll be there to read all your comments and I'll respond to them one after the other. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is very important to me. Don't be a bad person.